we're gonna replace. We're gonna put them right there in the middle instead of what he has right now out the sides. So we got to run it on the inside of the pipe and everything over there beside the bumper, inside the rear bumper, inside the rear diffuser. This is what it looks like before. I'm gonna run it like that, like the SIs. Well, stay tuned. 2021 Honda Civic XL Coupe. What we got done on it? Factory converter up there. Somebody else did the resonator. Then 2-inch pipe, and then we did something really special on it. It had straight pipes out the sides here and here, but he didn't like that look. So he brought it to us, and we, as you guys can see, ran it all the way through the bumper on each side, there. And then the same thing on this side, there. Into dual tips out the back, carbon fiber in the middle, like the Honda SIs. 4-inch carbon fiber tips. Look at that. There'll be a link in the description for them. Came out absolutely magnificent. And there's the 2 pipes that were on it before that we cut off right there and right there. What do you guys think? I think it looks phenomenal. Hope you guys like it. Come to Exhaust Addicts for anything custom. We can do it all. Sounds different too. That sounds good. Honda Civic XL. Center exhaust, which is, that's how it's supposed to look like. I like that. That came out really nice, really clean. Hear sound decibels? Again? 95. Go ahead and back it out. That sounds so good. Much better. Let you guys hear on the inside.